Let's go for excellent optical technologies. At Optatec 2026, manufacturers and users from all over the world will meet here in person to make progress with the technical use of light. Optics and photonics are among the most important future industries of the 21st century. Photonic components are enablers for new applications. The international appeal of Optatec is excellent because the focus here is on new technologies, new manufacturing processes, new machines, and new applications. With this fine exclusive theme, Optatec offers world-leading trade fair character and is firmly established in the global market with its specific institutional partners. Here you will meet highly qualified experts, founders, young talents, but above all, decision makers and CEOs. Be part of the top event for optical excellence in the heart of Europe. Let's meet again with excellent optical technologies from the 5th to the 7th of May 2026 in Frankfurt, Germany.